speed it up. Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. I wanna switch up the tempo. Can I switch up the tempo? Switch up the tempo. Can I switch up the tempo?
What's up, guys? This is your girl Gail DeAndrea. This is my very first video on my channel about my current wash routine. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and let's get right into it. So basically what I do first, I detangle all of my hair first with water and olive oil. Guys, let me tell you, it is so important to detangle your hair. You can't just comb through it, or you can't just start washing it without doing so. This is what I do. I don't get in the shower to wash or wash my hair in the sink. All I do is rinse my hair in the sink or rinse my hair off in the shower. So this product is called xoxo and it's by Carol's Daughter. I use this to wash and condition, and I also use olive oil as well. Now what you're seeing me do right now, I am wetting my hair up and I'm focusing on my scalp. Whenever I shampoo my hair, I focus on my scalp mainly, and then I kind of bring it down to my ends. Shampoo tends to dry out your hair, strips your hairs of natural oils, so I don't shampoo often. I shampoo literally like once a month, and the rest of the days or every 2 weeks I co-wash. So now I'm rinsing everything out, and whenever you dry your hair, ladies, always use a cotton t-shirt. It is a lifesaver. Now after I just fluff my hair a little bit, I always put my hair in sections and I spray my leave-in conditioner. It's the 100% coconut oil leave-in conditioner by Shea Moisture. It works wonders and it smells so freaking good, guys. Now whenever I condition, I make sure my hair is detangled properly, and I coat all of my hair in the conditioner and I section it off piece by piece, as you see right now. So now I let the conditioner sit in my hair for like 30 minutes almost. That's when I rinse everything out. Now whenever you rinse your conditioner out, I don't rinse all my conditioner out, mainly because it'll keep my hair more moisturized. After the fact, if you rinse it all out, it's just gonna be dry, brittle, it's just gonna break, and that's not a good thing. Now after all the conditioner is rinsed out of my hair, I do put in leave-in conditioner, and I do add Jamaican black castor oil to my hair as well. I put 2 braids and make sure my hair is detangled really, really well. So that's what you're seeing me do right now. Yeah, so all I'm doing at the very ends, I do add oil. Oh, my head is so big, guys. Yeah, so I'm just gonna let you watch this without my commentary on this, because you get the point already. So guys, we've reached the end of the video. I am all done. 2 little braids, they're cute or whatever. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. It means a lot. Comment, subscribe, share my video, and I surely hope that you guys learned a few tips that you can probably add to your hair wash routine.